Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Power the lamp and enter pairing mode so the device broadcasts. Then, use a 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Smartphones won't pair on 5 GHz. Make sure you know the SSID and password. Open the Yeelight app you installed and grant location and Wi-Fi permissions so the app can discover local devices. Once the app detects the bulb, tap to add it. You're starting the smart onboarding flow, which prepares the device to receive your network credentials. Now you'll provide the network credentials and complete pairing. In the app, choose your 4 GHz SSID and type the password exactly. Capitalization and special characters matter. If automatic discovery fails, switch the bulb to AP mode. The app shows instructions to connect your phone temporarily to the bulb's hotspot. Follow prompts and return to the app so it can push credentials. Once the transfer runs, wait for the progress indicator and the device confirmation tone. That's your signal the device joined the network. Finish by naming the bulb and assigning it to a room so voice assistants and automations find it easily. Immediately check basic controls: power, brightness, and color if applicable. If firmware upgrade is offered, apply it now. Updates fix stability and compatibility. Make sure scenes and schedules run as expected. If the bulb won't connect, reboot your router, try AP mode again, or perform a factory reset on the bulb. These steps resolve most networking or pairing faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.